In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Outlook data from backup. If you've saved an Outlook backup, often called a PST file, this walkthrough will show you the most common and reliable way to merge those emails back into your mailbox so they appear right where you expect them. We'll use the built-in import feature in Outlook, and I'll explain what each choice means so you can avoid duplicates and keep your folder structure intact. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the profile and account where you want the data to end up. At the top left, click the File tab to open the Backstage view. From there, choose Open and Export, which is where Outlook keeps tools for bringing data in and out. Next, select Import/Export to launch the Import and Export wizard. In the wizard, choose Import from another program or file. This tells Outlook you're bringing in existing data rather than connecting to a service. Then select Outlook Data File, MUT.PST. A PST is simply a single file that stores your emails, folders, and often other items like calendar and contacts, depending on how it was created. Click Browse and locate your backup file. It might be on your desktop, in your Documents folder, or on an external drive. Pick the file and confirm. If your backup is large, expect the process to take a bit. That's normal. If the file is password protected, Outlook may prompt you to enter it before proceeding. You'll now see options for handling duplicates. Replace duplicates will overwrite matching items with those from the backup. Allow duplicates will add everything, even if copies already exist. Do not import duplicates will skip items. Outlook thinks are already there. If you're unsure and want to be cautious, allowing duplicates ensures nothing is missed, and you can clean up later. Next, select your mailbox as the destination. Choose the top-level mailbox, the one that usually shows your email address, so the import can place messages back into their original folders. Make sure Include Subfolders is checked. This preserves your entire folder tree, including custom folders, sent items, and other subfolders that were in the backup. When you're ready, click Finish. Outlook will begin restoring your data. You may see a progress window, and larger imports can take a while. Once it's done, your emails will be merged into your mailbox. Give Search a moment to re-index if results seem incomplete at first. That's it. Your Outlook data is now restored from your backup and ready to use.